right, everybody, we're in our fourth treatment room, and for a lot of our clients, this is the favorite room, which hurts Rory's and my feelings, but that's okay. It's probably my favorite room, too. And this is where Sarah does all of her magic. Sarah, why don't you tell us a little bit about you?
Yeah, so I am a licensed esthetician and a certified medical laser technician. I've worked in medical aesthetics now for 16 years, and I've been part of the SKINovative team for 6 years.
So some of the things I wanted you to hear is she's been doing this for 16 years. So she didn't just finish up with school. She's treated thousands of patients. And what's great about that is skin is really a unique area for each of us. And so one treatment might work for somebody and might not work for somebody else, but you want to be going to a skincare specialist like Sarah, who really knows the field of skin and can offer lots of different treatment options to help you with your goals. So the first treatment we're going to offer, which might be my favorite, is a hydrofacial.
Yes.
So Sarah, tell us about a hydrofacial.
Yeah, and you know, our beautiful model Denise here, we actually just wrapped up a hydrofacial on her. So it's actually one of my favorite skincare treatments. It's a very therapeutic treatment, but it yields no downtime. So, you know, post-treatment expectations is just a nice fresh glow. And it's a 4-step process. So first step, we're going to be exfoliating and doing a deep cleanse. Then we are going to be doing a mild chemical resurfacing or a chemical peel. We do extractions, and then we do a deep dermal infusion, which focuses on anti-aging and helping to even out the skin tone.
That's awesome. And one of the things is when she does those extractions on Dr. Fulton, you should see the fluid. It is amazing what she gets out of this nose. So I'm thankful for that. Yeah, and this is one of my favorite treatments. I mean, literally, I fall asleep when I'm doing it, and when I get out of here, I have a glow. So it's one of my favorite treatments for sure.
Very relaxing.
Tell me about microdermabrasions. You know, we have a lot of patients that do that. What's a microdermabrasion?
Yeah, so microdermabrasion is a mild exfoliating treatment. We utilize a machine that has a handpiece with a small stiff brush on it, and that helps to remove dead skin cells and refine the texture of the skin. And from that point on, then we're really kind of customizing the treatment to our patient's needs. So depending on the skin conditions, we're going to choose an appropriate treatment mask. And so the mask will be applied. It remains on the skin. Once it's removed, then we'll do any necessary extractions, and then we choose condition-specific medical-grade topicals to kind of round out our treatment.
Love that. And so again, you heard customizable, super important. You know, it's your skin type is different than mine, then is different than Sarah's, different than Denise's. Thank you, Denise, for being here. That's awesome. How about chemical peels? Do all chemical peels make me look like a snake when I walk out of here?
Well, you know, Denise is actually a perfect example of that. So part of the hydrofacial is a mild chemical resurfacing or a chemical peel. So you can see that her skin just looks beautiful and glossy and glowing. So that is on the more mild end of the spectrum. We do have some medium depth peels where the skin might get a little bit dry and flaky a couple days after the treatment. And then we have a little bit bigger guns that we can pull out, more of a medical grade application, which will yield visible peeling and flaking. So a little bit deeper resurfacing, a little bit more therapeutic in terms of discoloration of the skin. So one of the things that I as a provider want to be very mindful of when I'm partnering with patients is you know, everyone's comfort level. Some people don't mind to have visible peeling and flaking, and for others, that's a big deal. So we want to customize our treatment plan and choose our chemical peels carefully so that we are allowing our patients to go about their lifestyle with confidence.
I love that. Yeah, I love that. Awesome. And then the last one is microneedling. I hear a lot about microneedling.
Yes,
tell me about that.
Yes, microneedling is a fantastic treatment. So it is a modality that I love to go to for any type of textural issue. Fine lines, wrinkles, crepey skin, acne scarring, even surgical scarring. So it can be performed on the face, the neck, the chest, anywhere on the body. It is a treatment that is also called collagen induction therapy. So by creating that kind of controlled wound in the dermis, and as your body goes through the wound healing response, it's going to promote that collagen synthesis, an amazing resurfacing.
Now, this is probably a silly question, but it says needle in that. Are there needles in the
There
microneedling?
are needles,
There's
yes.
needles in that.
There are microfine needles that are creating little channels in the skin. So again, that's that controlled injury, which puts the body into that wound healing response and helps to give that ultimate rejuvenation.
Love that. Now, we use Skin Pen. Tell me what's unique about Skin Pen.
Skin Pen is a fantastic modality. It is one of two FDA cleared devices on the market for microneedling. So it is one that has been devised so that it causes less inflammation in the skin, so you're not going to have as much downtime, but you're still getting all the fantastic benefits of that collagen induction.
Love it. So, one of the things that we're trying to do, again, is offer best products, best service, and so having a Skin Pen, which is FDA cleared,
Yes.
obviously that's good for you to know.